Hey guys, welcome to the channel Market Uncharted. Today's video we are going to speak about volatility, how to invest in it and why this is important for the market. So what is volatility? Financial market volatility is defined as the rate at which the price of an asset rises or falls given a particular set of returns. It is often measured by looking at a standard deviation of annual returns over a set period of time. The volatility index, VIX, is an index that represents the expected volatility of the S&P 500, which is the main index in the US, often referred to as the fear index by investors, which means every time that you see S&P 500 going up, usually VIX goes down. Why? Because on an up tendency, we have less volatility. Every time that you have a crash on the S&P 500, you'll see a spike up on on the index VIX. So here the CBOE Volatility Index VIX is a real-time index that represents the market's expectations for the relative strength of the near-term price changes of the S&P 500 index. As I was saying, you can see here a spike during the 2008 financial crisis and the COVID-19 crisis. So low volatility in the index represents uptrend. During these times, you can see usually VIX historically goes between 15 and 30. During periods of high volatility in the markets, you can see that VIX usually is always above 30. For most of 2020, volatility was around 30, but when fears around the coronavirus peaked, the VIX saw a spike of 460% increase from 14 to 80. So you can see every time you have a crash, it's a huge spike on the VIX. Over the next year, volatility decreased overall, but at the announcement of the Russia-Ukraine war, it saw again a 40% spike. How to bet on volatility? So if we think you can see an increase on the volatility during the market, you can invest either through the ETF of the VIX or, for example, the Lixor LVO ETF as well in Europe that represents the spike on the VIX price. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Never forget, knowledge is not power, knowledge is potential power, execution is everything. And just like the markets, we will not rest.